Check it out. Cucumbers. Gonna make some fermented pickles. Might make some just like brine pickles. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But season's changing. It's time to start putting food away. So when the same old town that broke you down crumbles into the sea, well, perhaps the dance and dead romance will wake you from this dream. And the beat goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. So you cut the strings. You need to burp these basically every day. I'm gonna need to use this. I think it'll be easier to remember. But this is what we got going. So this is a big one. And the time traveling and daydreaming is all that you can see. Well, I tell you, my friend, that ain't the end. There's a place always to be. And I find that it's in the act of remembering to breathe. And I don't have a scale right now, so I'm using, like, I'll show you the technique. What I'm doing is I'm taking one heaping cowabunga of this, put it in there. This time I'm gonna add something different. So we're gonna do boom, boom, boom. Put some jalapeños in there. And then I got the salt, so if I want to add pepper, take the pepper flakes. We already got pepper in here though, you know. Yeah, it's not gonna hurt nobody.